Hello, I'm going to show you how to add files to your stuff in My Big Campus. Now right now I don't have anything in here, so I'm going to add. I'm going to click the Add button and I'm going to get three options. I can add a file, a YouTube video, or a website. So let's start with a file first. Now I can either click here to upload the files, or I can drag and drop them from a desktop. So I'm going to go over here and grab a Word document, and I'm going to drag it into this box. Once it turns blue, I can unselect that file, and if you give it a minute, it will upload that file. And once you've done so successfully, it will show you the time and date that you did so, and how big the document is. I'm also going to grab an image and do the same thing. Now I can upload an unlimited amount of files, but each file has to be under 100 megabytes, which is still a pretty large file. Now I would do this and add lots and lots of files because this could be where I store most of my stuff. And this would eliminate the need for a flash drive, save stuff in your email or anything like that. This can be your cloud storage. Now right now these are private files. They aren't shared with anybody. So I could use drafts here and then share them once they're finally created. Now these items over here have a gearhead, which gives you options on how to share them. I can either add something to the photos page if it is a photo, such as something a .jpeg, or I can add it to the general library for others to share. And you can go there as well to grab things that you like. Now let's add a website to my stuff. I'm going to scroll down to website, and it's going to bring me to this page where I'm going to enter information about the site. And I'm going to type the whole address in. I'm going to type kidbiz3000.com. I'm going to click Get Info. This has My Big Campus to see if maybe it's already been added by somebody else, and confirms the item that you've already put in. Since I've added this item before, I'm going to edit and I can change the parameters about it. I can call anything the title that I want, and I can give it a short description about what kind of website it is. I just used Leveled Articles for Students since it really is just a news site, and I gave it the tag of news. I gave it a language arts category, and I can change the minimum and maximum grade. Since KidBiz is really for 3rd grade and up, I'm going to change the parameter here. And I'm going to save this information. Once you've added the website, you'll get a screenshot of what it looks like. And you'll get information about who added it and when and the other parameters that we just set. Now if you click this link here, it will take you to this website within this window. You can also add it to a bundle if you wanted to make a lesson plan that included this website. Or I could edit and delete the parameters once again. Now if I go back to the stuff that I've uploaded before, I could get a lot of stuff here, and it might get messy when I'm trying to search through them. This is where labels will come in handy, and filters to sort those out will really help you. So I can add any label I want. I'd simply click Add, and I've added technology as a label. Now I want to apply this to some of my files. So I'm going to choose the iPad image, and I'm going to check that box. I'm going to go up to Apply Label and scroll down to Technology. Once you've done this, each label, and you could have several for a different file, they will be across here and they'll be gray. So say I wanted to search by a filter, I could come down here and check only the ones that are labeled Technology. So it will return only the files that have that label applied. So right now it's only one category. So if I go back to my files and say I only want to find files that are images, I can click the Photos icon and it will give me only the files that have a .jpeg, and such as the extension of the file. So here again, it returned the file that was a photo. Now say I want to delete some files because I have some that are outdated. All I do is simply check the box and delete selected. So using Your Stuff is a good way to store stuff that you can access from anywhere with an internet connection. You have a huge storage amount limit, and you can add these to share with other people, add to a bundle, and you can use them as a draft form until they're a finished product to share with later.